Very good evening to all of you. Now I am here with my student for National Housing Bank Assistant Manager Journalist interview. Okay, just try to check the mock interview, take help from it, and go further for your preparation. And if you want to take guidance for regulatory body, okay, banking and insurance sector, mains and interview, my number is 7503235358. Okay, beta, start.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come. Be with smiley face. It gives you confidence. Smile, body language, eye contact with the panel. Okay, put salutation in front of name. These things, because these things in our hand. Yes, please come.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Just greet the panel also. Please have a sit.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, please have a sit. Just check the time, either
Thank
good
you, sir.
morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, you are from BCom background.
Yes, sir.
And you are coming for an HB interview. Earlier than this,
Yes,
you
sir.
are given any interview?
No, sir.
Okay. Briefly introduce yourself.
Sir, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Harsh Jain, and I am from Satna, MP. I have done my graduation from Delhi University in BCom program. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife.
Okay. What you learned from your father, Harsh?
Sir, business a little bit.
Okay.
Because
What is the business of your father?
Sir, clothes.
Okay, clothes. What is the meaning of your name, or any any famous personality with the meaning, means your name Harsh?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name has two meanings. In Hindi, Harsh, that means Ha, Rakiref, and Shah. Harsh means Khushi, happiness. And Harsh in English, that is Harsh, is pronounced as harsh. And harsh means something very rough. Harsh tone,
You are
harsh
not
sound.
you are not rough. You are asset for our organization, or you are rough for our organization?
Sir, I will definitely be asset for an organization.
What is the difference between asset side and liability side of a balance sheet? You are a BCom student.
Sir, assets are something positive, something which every business would like to have, and liability is, we can say, a negative thing, because it shows the liability of a organization to pay its creditors and expenses. So this and asset is equals to liabilities plus capital.
Okay,
Liabilities
क्रेडिटर एंड बिल्स पेएबल की पोस्टिंग कहाँ होगी, और कैश इन हैंड, कैश एट बैंक और डेप्रिसिएशन घटाएंगे मशीनरी में, तो इसकी पोस्टिंग्स कहाँ होगी?
Sir, cash in hand and cash at bank, when depreciated, would be on the asset side of the balance sheet, and sorry, sir, what was
Bills
the question?
payable and credited in the liability side, cash in hand, cash at bank in asset side, and the depreciation is minus from asset side from the machinery.
Sir, I was asking question.
Okay, no issue.
Sorry, sir, what was the question? Okay, sir.
No issue. I was giving you the answer. Just try to remember it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the name of the two depreciation methods only? Only name.
Sir, written down value method and straight line method.
Okay. If we cannot see the goodwill, then how we can check the goodwill of any organization, any company, or any person?
Sir, goodwill of an organization can only and only be calculated at the time of selling an organization, and it is calculated by knowing the worth that is being provided to the organization. For sake of an example, if assets minus liabilities of an organization is 10 lakh and it is being purchased for 15 lakhs, then the difference between 10 lakh and 15 lakh, that is 5 lakh, is the goodwill of that organization.
Okay.
Because that.
Okay.
It's okay, sir.
You are here for an HB interview and you are completed your BCom also. What are the benefits you are having because you are the BCom graduate?
Sir, being a BCom graduate, I have a little bit edge over the other candidates from other streams, because I very well know the importance of accountancy, economics, and business studies, which we can apply, which I can apply in the NHB for betterment of for the betterment and growth of the NHB, and for better serve our country.
Okay, Harsh, tell me something about NHB.
Sir, NHB is a housing development organization set up by the National Housing Act 19 1987, and NHB was established in 1988. It is a regulatory body which gives licenses to the other housing finance companies and also finances and refinancing
Housing finance
job.
companies. You heard about the Pirambal or mission? You have checked what are the Pirambles
Yes, sir.
mentioned in the Pirambal and mission of NHB?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, sorry, sir, I do not remember the exact wording.
Just try to check it. The meaning is same. The all meaning
Yes,
is
sir.
same to provide
sir.
the housing loan
Yes, sir.
finance to housing finance company, and through housing
Yes, sir.
finance company affordable house for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell me about Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in one line, and in one line about rural and urban.
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is launched for the affordable housing of the weaker section and economically weaker section. Sir, for the urban, it is granted 1,20,000 for plain area and 1,30,000 for hilly areas. And for urban, it is granted 1,50,000.
Good. You heard about that real estate investment REIT.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, real estate investment trust is a very new concept to the Indians, as it is recently launched in 2018 earlier. Earlier, to invest in this trust, retail investors need to invest minimum sum of 2 lakhs, which is now being reduced by the SEBI to 50,000 rupees. It invests in real estate properties, and minimum 80% of the investment should be invested in the properties generating income, and rest 20% can be invested in the under construction properties. It has to give back to its shareholders.
Okay.
Minimum
Who
2
won the
times.
Maharashtra? Which party won the Maharashtra and Jharkhand election?
Sorry, sir, I do not know.
Okay. BJP alliance in Maharashtra, NDA, and India alliance in Jharkhand. You know the name of the CM. They are earlier in the state.
Sir, in Maharashtra, it was Thackeray.
Eknath Shinde. If you don't know
Eknath
the
Thackeray.
answer, please go for the wrong answer.
Okay, sir.
पत्थर नहीं मारना है. Okay, in Maharashtra, श्रीमान एकनाथ शिंदे sir. In Jharkhand, Mr. or Sir Hemant Soren.
Okay, sir.
Okay, who is the chairman of NHB?
Sir, sorry, sir, I do not know.
Okay, check it. Who is the CM and governor of your state?
Sir, CM of my state is Dr. Mohan Yadav, and governor of my state is Mangubhai Changubhai Patel.
Mangubhai Chhagan Bhai Patel. Changu Bhai nahi.
Manganbhai Changubhai Patel.
Okay, no issue. You heard about the term that is a very famous term related to this NHB, Residex Index.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, Residence Index basically shows the trend of property prices, residential property prices. It helps us to take decision of whether buying a property or selling a property by giving us the data, and through the data we can determine whether the properties are on the higher side or on the lower side, and accordingly take our decision. And we can also save ourselves from being duped by the property dealers at the time of buying and selling.
We can check from anywhere in India.
Yes, sir, we can check from anywhere in India, but it comprises of 50 cities of India.
Who is the regulator of money market?
Sir, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India.
Beta, it is the regulator of capital market, share bazaar. Money market regulator is RBI. Be cool and calm. सुनने आंसर देने के पहले सोचो एक बार. Bluntly एकदम गलत आंसर दे देना. ठीक है. Who is the regulator of no issue. Who is the regulator of insurance sector in India?
Sir, IRDAI, Insurance and Regulatory Authority of India.
Okay. You have knowledge about the basic banking of this industry. Like we all know that there are RBI, under RBI banks is working, and a customer can take loan from bank itself.
Yes, sir.
Through which rate a customer can take a loan from bank? The rate is called?
Sir, that
You are a BCom student? Base rate. Base rate is the rate at which a customer can take loan from bank. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And through which rate bank can take a loan from RBI for short period of time.
Sir, for short period of time, repo rate.
What is the current percentage of repo rate?
Sir, it is currently 6.5%.
What is CRR? Please define.
Sir, CRR, the full form of CRR is cash reserve ratio. It is the minimum cash which bank has to keep with RBI, and no interest will be given on that on that cash, and it is used to regulate the inflation and deflation in the economy.
Okay. You know that we will posted you anywhere in India, in Mumbai, in Delhi,
Yes, sir.
anywhere. How will you manage with your new job and
Sir,
you are a young guy?
Sir, I have been living outside my home since class 8th. I have been in different parts of the country, so I am very well able to manage myself in any part of the country.
You know little bit what is the work profile of NHB assistant manager?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, NHB assistant manager deals with the day-to-day working of the NHB, which includes uh, managing different departments such as credit department, HR department, financing department, and also the social initiatives.
What is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is meditation and walking.
Meditation. When we celebrate World Yoga Day?
Sorry, sir, I do not.
21st of June.
Okay, sir.
You know the full form of Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy. That is the full form of Ayush. Okay. One more thing we all know, that is bad bank. It is very popular.
Yes, sir.
Okay, always, and you
Yes,
are
sir.
for regulatory body interview. What is bad bank?
Sir, bad bank is set up by the government so that it can take over the bad loans of the commercial bank, so that commercial bank can focus on the main job, which is uh, uh, deposit and withdrawal and granting of loan. And these bad banks later on try to make the settlement of these bad loans, and if they fail to do so, then they have guarantee of the government of India, through which they can sell those bad loans and recover the amount.
Okay. You heard about the term is called domestically systematic important bank.
Yes, sir.
There are three banks. They are in the news recently also, and they are also called. Please explain it, and what is the other name of this?
So domestically important banks are HDFC, ICICI, and SBI. Sir, they are in short, they are too big banks to fail, and if they fail, then they will affect the economy in very bad way. So they are especially managed by the RBI, and they have
They are too big to
means
fail. Good. They are too big to fail. SBI,
yes,
ICICI, and HDFC Bank.
yes, sir.
Okay. You are having bank account
Yes, sir.
in which bank?
Punjab National Bank.
Okay. As a BCom student, suppose I will ask you, how will you aware regarding the fraud, digital fraud? You are using which mobile bank app? Means PNB One is the name of.
Yes, sir.
Is it
PNB
PNB
One.
One? Oh,
Yes,
what
sir.
are the precautions? What are the precautions? A old person, a lady, or a young people, you know about the digital frauds.
Yes, sir.
What are the precautions we have to take, either you or me, regarding mobile banking
Sir,
or anything?
Sir, first of all, what fraudsters do is they call you in the name of banking employees and try to get your OTPs and banking IDs. But the reality is, a bank employee would never ever ask for any kind of OTPs or card details, and also never, as a precaution, we should never ever click any unknown or suspicious links which direct us to paying or receiving money.
Okay. You know that so many people, their dream is to purchase their own house. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how they are working, how the bank is working in India, how housing finance company is working, and how NHB is working? What is the main focus so that the people they can take their dream home?
Sir, first of all, coming to NHB provide finances to the housing finance banks and helps them so that they could further provide the loans for the housing of the different communities and regions. at an affordable rate so that they can make their dream of buying house and come true. And finance companies in turn grant loans at a lesser rate and at a favorable conditions so that a lower class or middle income person can also afford uh, housing loan.
Okay. Last question from my side. Okay. Suppose someday there is a hectic schedule. Okay, closing is going on and lots of work
Yes,
is
sir.
going on. You have to stay for a long time in a organization of NHB. Then how will you manage?
Sir, as an aspirant, I wake up at 6 a.m. and go to sleep at 11 p.m. So I am able to manage myself in an hectic schedule, and I have been living like this for the past 2 years. So I am very well able to cope up myself and manage myself in hectic schedules, and also as I will be the part of NSB family. So as a family member, it's my responsibility to support NHB in these phases.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to give feedback to my student. Okay, and just take help from it. It will be very helpful for you for NHB interview. My number is 7503 235358. Thanks a lot.